Good morning, students. Today we will start with exercise 11.2. We will start with question number 1. Construct a triangle ABC in which BC equals to 7 cm, angle B equals to 75 degree and AB plus AC equals to 13 cm. Now first step is draw a line segment BC equal to 7 cm. At point B, make an angle 75 degree. Either you make with a compass or the protractor. Now make a long line, bigger line. Extend it. Okay. Now let this be X. Denote this with X. Now cut a line segment BD equal to AB plus AC, that is 13 centimeter. Now from the ray BX, cut BD equal to 13 centimeter, that is AB plus AC. Join, now name it as D. Join DC. Now draw perpendicular bisector of DC. Or you all know how to make a perpendicular bisector. Take more than half and cut on both the sides of the line DC. Name it as PQ and join them. Now let this perpendicular bisector meet BD at A. Join AC. Thus ABC is the required triangle. Now let us do question number 2. Construct a triangle ABC in which BC equals to 8 cm, angle B equals to 45 degree and AB minus AC equals to 3.5 cm. Now for this, you have to first draw a base BC equal to 8 cm. At point B, make an angle XBC equal to 45 degree. You can use compass or protractor. So at point B, make 45 degree. You can use compass or protractor as per your convenience. Name this as ray X. So this is 45 degree. Angle XBC equals to 45 degree. Now cut the line segment BD equal to AB minus AC, that is 3.5 centimeter. So this is equal to 3.5 centimeter, which is AB minus AC. Now name it as D. Join DC. Now draw the perpendicular bisector of DC. You all know how to make perpendicular bisector of a line segment. So let this perpendicular bisector be PQ and extend this line so that it intersects the ray BX. The point at which it intersects BX, name it as A. Join AC. Thus ABC is the required triangle. So students, for today these two sums, practice it thoroughly. It is very important. Thank you.